Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Check Android version and any pending carrier or system updates because outdated builds cause instability. Once done, restart both the router and your phone to clear transient errors. This often fixes brief dropouts. Next, forget the problematic network and re-enter credentials. And if you used a static IP before, make sure the details match the router. These first steps clear common mismatches and remove cache settings that commonly trigger disconnections. Now address Android-specific behaviors. Turn off Wi-Fi optimization and disable battery saver restrictions for Wi-Fi because Android can aggressively drop connections to save power. Make sure Wi-Fi is set to stay on during sleep in the advanced Wi-Fi settings. Otherwise, connections may drop when the screen locks. Once that's set, exempt important apps from battery optimization and allow background data so critical services keep the link alive. These changes prevent the system from cutting Wi-Fi to preserve. Finally, check the router. Update its firmware and test both 2, 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. 2, 4 travels farther but is crowded. 5 GHz is faster but shorter range, so pick what fits your environment. Reserve or bind your phone's IP in the router's DHCP to avoid address conflicts. If problems persist, try a router factory reset and reconfigure. If you still see drops, one key troubleshooting tip: test with another phone. If the other device stays connected, the issue is likely the Android device settings or hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.